by Jef Camps and Roy Verdonk. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with one tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about our tag and practice it, and then we're going to go around and do 4 walls of the dance, including our tag, so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Little Heartbreak. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot back, and you're going to touch your left toe next to your right. We're now going to shuffle forward with our left, stepping our left foot forward, right together, left forward. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to cross our right over our left and step your left foot to the left side. You're going to end that section with your weight on your left foot, facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to take our right foot, we're going to cross it behind our left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to take our left toe, we're going to touch it across our right, point your left toe back to the side. Now from here, you have 2 options. There is a little bit of an easier option and a little bit of a harder option. If you want to do the easier option, you're just going to cross your left over your right and step your right foot to the side. If you would like to do the harder option, you're pointing here, you're going to do a heel grind with your left foot. So you're going to take your left foot, cross it over your right on that heel, and then you're going to swivel, put weight on it and swivel your toes to the left and then step down on the right. Either way is your choice. It ends the same way. We're going to cross our left behind our right and step our right foot to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We ended the previous section with our weight on our left foot. We're going to cross behind and point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The easier option is 5, 6, 7, 8, and do a weave to the side. If you would like to do the little bit of a harder option, so we step to the side, you're going to step behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The choice is yours. So whichever one you would like to do, it ends all the same. Either way is fine. From here, we're going to cross rock to start section 3. So we're going to take our left foot, we're going to cross it over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and you're going to do a side chasse to the left, stepping our left foot side, right together, left side. From here, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So we're going to take our right foot, cross it over your left, step your left foot back. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping that right foot slightly forward, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight ended with on our right foot. We're going to cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to do a Monterey quarter turn. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you bring that right foot into your left and taking weight onto that right foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and then touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. Now we're going to do a left shuffle back, stepping that left foot back, right together, left back, and then you're ready to start the dance all over with your back touch. So let's try that part with some counts. We ended facing 12 o'clock with our weight on our left foot. You're going to do your Monterey quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall, do it all the way through. I'm going to dance the easier option. It's your choice if you would like to do the heel grind. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping back with the right. Back, touch, left shuffle, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, behind, point, touch, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side chasse, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, Monterey, quarter with a touch, step out, out, shuffle back. End of dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stepping back with the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. If you choose to do the heel grind, it has the same counts, totally up to you. So now, on the end of wall 4, so we will be facing 12 o'clock, you have an 8-count tag. We're just going to be doing a modified version of a K-step. So we would have shuffled back with our left foot facing 12 o'clock. We're going to step our right foot back into the diagonal, touch, step your left foot forward, and you're going to do a stomp up. So you're going to stomp that right foot, but don't take weight. You're now going to step your right foot forward, touch, step back with your left and do a stomp up, end of tag. So let's try it. You're stepping back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would start all over with your back touch. Let's go all the way around. We're going to do all 4 walls, practice our tag, and then we're going to do the one that follows it just so you know how it all flows into each other. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're stepping back with your right. Back, touch, forward shuffle, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, behind, point, touch, across, point, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, chasse, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, point, quarter, turn, point, touch, out, out, shuffle, back, back, touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, tap left, shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, behind, point, touch, across, point, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, chasse, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross, Monterey, point, turn, point, touch, out, out, shuffle, back, back, touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do our tag. Diagonal back touch, forward stomp up, forward touch, back stomp up. And then you're ready to start all over again, back touch. Step, touch, shuffle forward. Step, quarter pivot, cross, side, behind, point, touch across, point, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, chasse, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, Monterey, quarter touch, go out, out, shuffle back, and you're ready to keep on going. And that is the whole dance for a little heartbreak. I hope this helped you learn it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.